Okay, this is the new setup for Soniq. There's a few changes since the last time I did a video, and we've reorganized the screen so that there is this middle section for most of the kind of the viewing things, and there is this side drawer here for doing editing and any kind of actions based on what you've selected in the middle section. So um, as you can see, if you select an item, then it appears on the right, like that. So I've also done a lot of work to try and speed this up, so it should be relatively fast. You can still go to view the student details from this link here. When you want to add a student, you just click on the slot. Just to say, it's dark at the moment because my computer has switches between a light mode and a dark mode. So at some point it might change, but at the moment it's in dark mode. But yeah, so if you want to add a lesson, you just click on a slot. Again, there's a create event thing that pops up on the right because this is the actions in the editing drawer. You can choose the student that you want to add a lesson for. You can even search for them here. You can click on the name, and you can see as I'm editing this student, because I've created some student unavailable slots for this student, they've appeared on the calendar. So these here are slots where this student is unavailable. You can press save, and that lesson goes in. So what you'll also see is if I go to the couple of weeks afterwards and I go to add in a lesson, if we choose another student, this student hasn't got any student unavailable slots saved, so they all go away. If we choose Karis who does, then those slots come back. And those slots, you can see, have been repeated. So if you want to add another slot where the student is not available, you just do it in the same way as you do with a normal lesson event, but you just change the type to student unavailable. You choose the student, how long for, and then you tick this recurring option. Now this is going to repeat for us until this date. So if we choose, so this is the 18th, so if we just choose to the end of November, and we'll say every 1 week and save that, then that will now repeat until the end of November. When you're adding students, there's the button here will add a new section into the right hand section. So you can just add the student there and they will appear in the lists that you need. You can close that down and that's it.